In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organization chart in Lucidchart in just 5 minutes. Lucidchart is a popular diagramming tool known for its ease of use and versatility, making it perfect for creating detailed organizational charts quickly and efficiently. So let's get started, and soon you'll have your very own org chart up and running. First, open your browser and go to Lucidchart's official website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account, go ahead and type in your email address. Make sure to enter it correctly, as this will allow you to access your saved diagrams and templates. After entering your email, click on Next. Then you'll be prompted to type in your password. Once you've done that, click Login to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll be taken to Lucidchart's homepage. Here, you should look for and click on the New button, which will appear near the top left side of the page. This will open up options for different types of diagrams. Choose Lucidchart from the options presented. You'll then see an option to Create from Template. Click on this to browse through the variety of templates available for different types of diagrams, including organizational charts. You can manually search for a specific type of chart using the search bar. Once you've found a template that suits your needs, select it and click on Use. This will open the template for editing. Now that you have your template open, you'll want to give your chart a proper name. This will help you keep track of multiple charts if you are working on different projects. Next, you can start editing the chart to reflect your organization structure. Lucidchart allows you to import data directly into the chart. Simply click on Import Data. For creating an org chart, you'll typically import from an employee table dataset. As your data is imported, click on each employee element on the chart. This action will make employee fields appear on the right side of your screen. Select the relevant employee fields you want to include, such as job title, department, or contact information. Repeat this same process for all the employee data to assemble the chart fully. For a personalized touch, you can drag and drop additional shapes into the chart if necessary to further illustrate relationships or add divisions. Adjust the layout until it accurately represents the hierarchy and relationships within your organization. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a bit of customization, you now have a professional looking organizational chart created with Lucidchart. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, updating company records, or just trying to get a clearer view of your team's structure, this chart will be a valuable tool. Thanks for following along, and happy diagramming.